Hi creators, welcome to my channel NXT Creators. In this video, we will be creating an Wikipedia bot which can answer our any question from Wikipedia. Okay, so without any delays, let's get started. Okay, so now let's get started by using this. First, we need to import Wikipedia. Yeah, we have imported Wikipedia. If you are not installed it, install it by pip install Wikipedia. That this will solve your thing. Okay, so after that, we will be going to next line as let's create a function called def wiki. After creating this function, we will be going through init. Okay, let's give an pass argument to prevent the errors. Okay, so now you need to do is ask the user input. Okay, let's give the parameter user input, and in here we will be asking input. Enter enter your search query, and we'll be placing it in a new line with this command. After giving that, in our next line, we will be creating a variable called results. Results equals to Wikipedia dot summary, and we will be giving the name we need to give as user input, and we need to give another argument called sentences. Okay, how many sentences we want from Wikipedia? It will give that many sentences. Okay, I want to give for at least 5 sentences for me. I want more information. After that, we can also convert this into speech. So for that, use this command from pyttsx3 import speak. This is the command. After that, you can also write first. Let's print the results. After that, let's speak out the results. Okay, this is the ending of our video. Okay, how to test it? Okay, now we will be testing in it. So let's run our code. Okay, so here it is. Okay, we forgot to run this command. Let's name it as wiki, and let's rerun it. Okay, this is asking to enter the search query. I will be entering Python programming language. Let's test this.
Python is an interpreted, high-level and general-purpose programming language.
Yeah, it's giving the results.
Python's design philosophy emphasizes code read.
Okay, we got the results and it had speaked out. Okay, we got all these results. Okay, to decrease this length, you can decrease it from sentences is equals to, you can remove, you can keep 3 sentences or 2 sentences. Okay, so after going through it, so this is the ending of our video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video to your friends.